This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everybody. Today we will discuss the second part of POP's 2020 features. This is the login screen for beta version. Here you will use your username and password in the website to log into beta version. Write your information and click login. When you are using beta version, you have to stay connected to the internet all the time while you are using the software. Today we are going to discuss some new features and printing options, inventory and express mode. First of all, we have print modifier prices in all printouts. Let's just cashier in. Okay, we can find this option in back office. Then we will move to settings. After that, printing options. We can see here print modifier prices for receipt print. Also, we have the same option in customer order print and kitchen order ticket. Once we activate this option, you will be able to see the printout of item prices in receipt, customer order, and kitchen print. Let's now just configure any PDF printer. We will configure receipt printer and customer order and kitchen also. Let's just quickly assign kitchen printers. This is a general steps. I think you all know how to configure it. So I will move fast with these steps. Okay. Now let's create single or two modifiers to test this feature. We'll go to modifier configuration, then modifier setting. Right here, for example, salads. We will save that group. Select that group again. Create a new item, modifier item. We'll call it, for example, olive. Okay, now we will define the additional types. We will select add. The price will make it 0.2. And here we will add a new item also. We'll call it cheese. We will define additional type. Add 300 0.3. Okay, now we have two modifiers. We will not link it to any item using modifier template. We'll make it custom. Okay, now let's add two items. The first item will assign olive, and the second item we will assign cheese. Now let's print customer order and kitchen print. Let's just open the printouts to check it. These are the printouts. This is of kitchen. I didn't configure the PDF printer to print in receipt size. It's A4 size. As you can see here, add olive 0.2, add cheese 0.3. And same for customer order print 0.2 and here 0.3. We go back to the software. Okay, this is for printing modifier prices and in printouts. If you have any question regarding this feature, can you hear me, everybody? Or okay, in this case, let's move to the next feature, which is hiding the station number and all prints. And let's find this option also in printing options. Okay, printing options. Then let's just check this one. Let's just disable this option. Now here we have the station number. It will print with station number. For example, in customer order, it's hidden. Let's enable it and disable it in receipt to print. Let's create another order. And last one for receipt. Let's check the result now. This is the result. As you can see in receipt, we cannot find the station number, but in customer order, we can find here the station number. So we can hide it and we can display it. This is for hiding the station number and printouts. If you have any question regarding this one, you can ask me now.
Hello, I have one question.
Yes, tell me, Alves.
The problem, see, these also by my experience. This one is for checkout and this customer order receipt. This one, it will work together.
Checkout, actually, it's a customer order print. You mean
Actually, the previous, because see, I'll tell you one thing. We have one client. This is a big restaurant, very big restaurant. They need also the chef is require this customer order receipt. This customer order receipt is he's the one doing the follow up.
Okay.
Okay. Now when then the customer also asking check out, then these cannot be done together. It should be work together. Check out and customer order should be work together.
Say, I will create now a new order in dine in. Okay, now it's a kitchen print now. Now I will make check out to print customer
receipt.
Customer order.
Yes.
This is for customer order. Let's just open it. 1 minute. This is the customer order. Now by checkout I cannot print it again. But
the thing is when this in the printer option there is customer order there, I believe.
Yeah, this one.
You can
Once
define,
I
but the
go to
problem is
Tinder,
cannot be together work.
yeah, once I go to Tinder, I can print it again
No. What I'm saying is without checkout, I need the customer order.
without checkout.
Yes.
Mm. You can do it if there is an option in
Okay.
setting, then printing option. You can print it directly after you placing the order.
Yeah, but the problem this one cannot generate another. It will not print when I make checkout.
It will not print.
Yes. This in your old version. Huh? It
Yeah,
will not print.
because you have two options, whether to print customer order on checkout or after placing the order. So
It
once
should work
once
together
you enable,
actually.
so you
Because
are
usually the chef is asking this customer order for his keeping. Then he is the one monitoring all the order.
in this case he
This,
has to print it again, or we will check if we can make another option for this one to print both. We will
Mhm.
make it.
Because
So
we tried this dine-in copy count. I think it's not working well.
okay, I
You
will
see
check
this
it later.
customer order. There is one option that when we define one, also it's not doing anything.
I will explain it to you later because we can use this option to hire an order type of printer. We can use it for dining orders to print multiple printouts. For
This
example,
my option before, but in the old version, it's not work perfectly.
if you selected the printer here, actually
Yeah,
this
it's
option we didn't
also the
define.
same thing. I need to choose this either checkout or menu.
Yes, but
If
once you even if you
if
selected checkout,
it will
it will
not print. If I see selected checkout, it will not print. Dining copy count will not print.
I will check it later. I will make sure of it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome, Albus.
Okay.
So we will move to the next option, which is a print menu recipe in kitchen. Now let's make a recipe for an item. For example, this one, item squash. Let's just define inventory category. Okay, let's create the recipe now. We will create it for autumn squash. Select, for example, convert rate for potato 2, and this one 10. Save. Now to activate this option, we have to go to printing options and settings. Then here in kitchen order print, we can see here print menu item recipe. Now let's make a new order. Okay, just move to the other one. kitchen brand classification. Let's just check here in back office, then settings, printing options, then kitchen order brand. We can see here print order change type for each item. For example, if we have this item, autumn squash, we will make, for example, 3. Click order. Let's check the printouts now. As we can see here, it's printed E. E letter means edited item, and A means new item. This is for order type for each item. I think it's a clear point. So let's move to the next one, which is a new logo designer. We can find it in settings, then printing options, after that in logo. We have now this resize options. We have automatic resizing. We have the legacy, which is the old logo method. And for the advanced mode, we have to select first the logo. Let's, for example, select any image. It's very small. I think I don't have any pictures here. Let's check our logo. Unfortunately, I don't have any picture. So let's just find a picture, then I will get back to you. I don't have any picture, but I will put KDS capture and I will check. Advanced mode, then load image. This is the new option. I have only GPG. This is for both bank logo. We can select where we want to put the focus of the logo. We can zoom in and zoom out. Here we can zoom out to make it smaller. Also, we can make it larger to print a few details only from the picture. We can also control the height. For example, I will write 80, the height of the logo. After I finish, I will just click save. It will save only the area that I selected. Just a minute. Okay, just let's continue. This is the new feature of logo designing, which you have advanced mode automatically for version 5 method and legacy the old method. I think it's clear, and if you have any question regarding the logo, you can ask me now. Okay, let's move to the next feature. It's regarding the inventory. We have request stock. Let's take a look on request stock. First of all, in inventory item definition, we have this option which is minimum level. Minimum level means when the item reach this quantity, it will automatically generate the report for automatic order quantity. For example, if we have only 5 of potato, we will tell the system to order 15 gram automatically. We will save, and this one will make it 10. Or auto order quantity will make it 60. Okay. Now let's find that report in reports, then purchase reports. Here we will see purchase order auto generation. We can see the items. We should find it here. Just let's make sure we have a purchase. Let's make an adjustment. Processed amount, we will make 1, and here we'll make 1 also. Okay, let's just check the inventory status now. We have 1 of each item, and let's check this report now. Now we have only 1 gram of potato and 1 gram of salads. It will automatically order 15 grams for potato and 60 grams for salads. Okay, this information generated in this report will be used in automatic sending for stock request. Okay, let's now configure the stock request sender. First of all, we need to configure email server. Just let me configure the email server. Okay, email server now is configured. Let's go to management. In management, here we can see stock request sender. In stock request sender, we can put the multiple emails for management. We can just click enter and add the second email. Okay, when we will send the request, we'll make the schedule at shift end. We'll check send to management. Okay, we'll click apply. Now once we click on send now, it will send the email directly. Otherwise, it will send it here in shift end once we do a cashier out. We'll do a cashier out. Now it also will send the stock request automatically sent. Just 1 minute, I will take the result from the email. Here I will see the stock request that sent by email to the management. It will show the date. It will show it's generated automatically. Here will show the business information, business name, business phone, and VAT number. It will be sent to head office or management emails. Okay. Also, we can let's just disable the printers. And we can also send it manually by waiter or cashiers or anybody. Here I will request, for example, 1,000, for example, here 600. Okay, I will write my remarks. Okay. And I will select the request date, in which date I want this items. For example, here I will write this thing. I want it in 7 of this month. I will click send now. It will be sent directly to the email and will be saved also in the system. Just a minute, I will show you the difference between automatically send stock request and the manually one. Here we can see the generated automatically stock request, and here the manual one which we send to the management. You can see here requested by which employee and which date he needs that stock, also the date issued. Here it will show us the address, but now we didn't configure the address in the system. It will show empty, and also it will print the remarks. Okay, now let's check how to receive the stock. Now, once I have the items arrived from management or head office, I will click here on the stock request. I can see the details of that stock request. I can filter by request number or placed by whom or by request date. Let's check, for example, request number will filter by stock number. Okay, I will click now receive the stock. I don't have vendor, so I cannot receive that stock without having a vendor. So we will create a new one, call him raw supplier. Okay, we'll go back now to stock request. I will select the stock request I want. Then I will click receive stocks, and I will select the vendor. Now I have the purchase order opened automatically. will show here the quantity. I have just to edit the price. Then I will save it, will affect the inventory directly. I'll make back size 1 price. However, we can receive the stock directly by converting it to uh, purchase order. After that, we can click close. We'll close that stock request so we cannot receive the stock again. This is for stock requests. If you have any question, you can ask now. Okay, let's check the next feature, which is add discount in purchase order. Now we will create a new purchase order. Maybe so we didn't make the order policy. We will make order policy directly from here. Not put any tax rate. Select this vendor. Save that purchase policy. Now we will create a new purchase order for discount options. We have minimal discount or item discount. Here if I put the discount for the item, for example, I will make it 3, it will deduct directly from the total amount for purchase order. Otherwise, I can put minimal discount for the whole purchase order. Once I use a minimal discount, it will make item discounts as 0. Also, I can make a percentage discount, either fixed amount or percentage discount, and then I can save directly. As you can see here, you can see the discount and see that in discount type. This is for purchase order discount. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, let's just take a look on Express mode. We can switch to Express mode here in back office, then management. I will restart the program so it will take effect. Okay, I will log into beta version. Now this is for Express mode. I can see only few features we have. This is used for small restaurants that have only takeout orders. They don't have any other orders types. Here I can see it's the normal menu. You can see here I have only few options such as modifier, void, edit, quantity, discount, price change, new search, hold order, printing last receipt, and applying no tax to the order. First feature in Express mode is creating the menu and managing the menu. I can do it through here on settings, which is basic settings for Express mode. I can see here menu registration, straightforward page. I can create the item and put the price. directly. Also, I can define kitchen printer, which is same as order screen in advanced mode. Also for employees, same as employees management in advanced mode, but with fewer options, and with only customer name, password, language, and the roles security level. Also, I can export and import employees directly from Excel files. Implementing tags. Here in setting also I have tax definition. I can put the tax options for the restaurant. For reports, we have just few reports such as total sales, detailed sales. We have the sales report for the day. Also sales report by card types. This one I have a security role on this report. Sales report by cashier, cancelled orders history, sales tax report, sales tax summary, cashier and cashier out. Only we have only these few reports which any small restaurant needs. Also for security roles, we can see just a few security roles comparing to the advanced mode. For also we can assign the security roles for the employees through this one. We can change also the language directly to the desired language. It will be affected directly. No need to refresh it. Sitting here in Express mode. Also we can modify the options in order screen and in tender screen. For update, we have here the update. We can update the software. We can also turn back to normal mode. When we will exit back office, we can create any order directly. We can find it here in order list. Order list here, we can find that orders and tender it. Once we exit the program, it will ask us to do a cashier out, and once we open the software, it will ask us to do cashier in. This is in Express mode. Now we'll move to normal mode again. We can switch back to normal mode. I will not make cashier out. Now we got back to normal mode. Just give me 5 minutes, I will get back to you. Okay, do you have any question regarding Cypress mode? Okay, assume not. So let's just take a look on general features. For example, we have now search and back office. We can search for the feature in the tab or the report. This is for searching the back office. We make also search in security roles. You can search now for a security role instead of scrolling down and up. Here also you can search for the security role to give to the employee. Actually, I don't have anything now, so we finished our session today. If you have any question, you can ask now.
Hi.
Hi, John.
Yeah, in Express mode, is it possible to use Tarabat carrots?
Sorry, I can't hear you well.
In Express mode,
Yeah.
is it possible to use Tarabat and carriage?
Actually, you can switch to normal mode, define service providers, but I think also you cannot use this one because it's for small restaurants. Small
Yeah, but
restaurants doesn't deal with talabat and gas station and carriage. Still,
okay, okay.
any other question? Also today we will send you the link for beta version. You can use here the rating for the features. You can put the rating. You can write the notes. It will be delivered to us directly. Muhammad Shammas is asking for what we can use the express mode. Actually, Muhammad, we have some very small restaurants in here in GCC. We call it cafeteria. For cafeteria, only peoples will go there. They will order. Usually, they don't have even delivery. You have to go there and order. They sell only sandwiches like burger and eggs. You will take the order and you will leave directly. Small cafeterias, I think Elvis, here Fawad, John, they know because they are anybody from KSA or Bahrain can understand what is cafeteria. It's very small restaurant. Right now, Express mode cannot be sold individually. It's part of Bob's restaurant, so you can switch from Express mode to normal mode and from normal mode to Express mode. Another question? For retail, actually Muhammad Sham was asking about Express mode to be used in retail. Actually, in retail, still we didn't develop any new features to retail, but inshallah in future we will make a lot of development to Pops retail. Actually, I don't have even any expectation and any plan for Pops retail features. So once we get it, we will forward it to you directly. Also, we will get in touch regarding the new features of Pops Retail and Pops Restaurant, both. John is asking, can I fix the Express mode on main screen? Do you mean, John, we create a button here for Express mode to switch directly to Express mode or what?
Yes, directly here in the main
Yeah,
page.
so,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
once you click it, it will switch directly to Express mode.
yes.
Actually, no, it's uh, if we make it here on main screen and put it just like a stock request or order screen, it will be a feature, not a mode. Now we are dealing with it as a mode, so you can switch just from normal to express, whether to use normal or express. But using your suggestion, we will stuck only we can use both at the same time. So no, we cannot use it now. Maybe it's maybe come new features coming to Express. I don't know.
Okay.
Any other question? Okay, I assume we don't have any other question. So we finished our session for today. I hope we meet tomorrow and explore the remaining features of Ops Restaurant 2020 version. Thank you for attending our session, and I hope you see you tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.